If you are a beginner in makeup, it can be so confusing with all different color theories and color correcting methods. You probably didn't know which shade you should buy. So a color correcting palette can be a great option for you because you can have one palette to do everything. For today, I'm going to show you the best color correcting palettes and how to choose the best one for you. So let's begin. So then, what is color correcting? It's a makeup technique that uses complementary colors to neutralize unwanted complexion tones. Let's say you want to cover the redness of your skin. If you see the color wheel, you can see the opposite of red is green. So you are going to use the green to neutralize the color. Now your redness is neutralized with the green corrector, and then you are going to cover it with concealer or foundation. So color correcting is for neutralizing before using a foundation or concealer, not for covering. You are using a concealer or foundation to cover. I made a separate video to understand color correcting more in depth, so please check the video if you haven't done so. Now that you understand color correcting, then why do we need it? I personally think that most people do not need that much correction for everyday makeup. You might cover everything with a decent amount of coverage from concealer or foundation you use every single day. Even for myself, I found that I don't need that much correction for everyday makeup. But I might get some help from a bit of color that needs to correct my under eye dark circles, so that's why I love using a salmon color corrector. So I wouldn't say everyone needs color correcting, especially if you're a person preferring a natural look. But if you do have serious complexions or concerns you want to correct, color correcting is best for you. Okay, then you need a color corrector. What should you know to choose the best color corrector for you? First thing you need to consider is obviously the color. You might think that,
oh, everything looks same. I need green, so I will pick any palette with green.
But let me compare all green colors from different palettes. One looks paler, the other one is more like blue-green. The next one is more olive, neutral green. So all greens are not the same. So then how to choose the best color for you? Let me give you an example of the green. If you look at the color wheel, you can see light green, green, and the light blue separately. But if you see a gradient color wheel, all green wouldn't be categorized as just green. So try to find the exact color of your discolored area. If you think it is more like orangish red, you will choose bluish green. To choose the right color, you need to understand more about your skin tone, mainly the brightness of your skin. The darker your skin tone is, the deeper the color should be. For example, if your skin is in the category of light to medium, when you use the orange shade to cover your under eye area, it will look too obvious. So you might have to use a lot of concealer or foundation to cover it again, which makes the color correcting meaningless. In this case, you would use the color that will not be obvious on your skin. So you should use salmon to cover the area naturally. For deeper skin tones, they should use red or orange colors to correct the brown or pigmented area on their face. If you're just confused with all these colors, the easiest way is choosing neutral colors. It won't make you look like a clown, but will blend it well with your skin, so you might even not need to cover it up with a foundation or concealer. Second thing you need to consider to choose the best color correcting is intensity. Let's say you found two products that have a similar color. They all look similar, and now one thing you need to consider is the intensity. Depending on the darkness or intensity of the discolor area you want to cover, you will choose the intensity of the product. To give you guys the product recommendation, I'm going to list the best color correcting palettes. First one I would like to recommend is this NYX color correcting palette. This is a product I kept featuring in my videos, and you might be familiar with it. The reason why I love this product is, first, I love this salmon color in the palette. It corrects my under eye dark circles well and matches my skin tone without too being visible. The second reason is the consistency. Most color correcting palettes have a matte finish with light consistency, so it makes my skin dry, especially my under eye area. But this one has thick consistency, which makes my skin less dry compared to other products. The color range is more suitable for people from light to medium skin tones, so if you have a deeper skin tone, this might appear too pale on your skin. But if you have light or medium skin tone and are looking for color correcting palettes which not make your skin too dry, this one would be a great option for you. Next one we have is the most affordable yet natural option. This is the SAEM Cover Perfection. Especially if you're a beginner of makeup or are looking for a color correcting palette for everyday look, you wouldn't consider to try lavender, blue, yellow, and all that jazz because it seems so confusing. Then you might just look for the color for your under eye, salmon, pink, red, or orange, and maybe for redness, green color, and that's all. So I think this is the simplest option for you because it has only 3 colors. The only downside of this product is the lack of the color range because this brand is from South Korea, so it only has 1 color. If you compare this product to other color correctors out there, you could clearly see that the colors of these products are more neutral. Overall, if you're looking for a simple yet natural color corrector, this product will be perfect for you. Next, we have one for medium to deep skin tone. I found that most color correcting palettes are suitable for people with light to medium skin tones, so it was relatively hard to find the ones for people with tan or deep skin tones, but finally I found this product. The pigments of this product is not that intense, so it will give you that natural look, yet has more color than other color correcting palettes. Since it has a light, medium, and tan skin tone color, you can mix it with orange or green to neutralize or deepen them. So I'd like to recommend this product for those of you who have deeper skin tone than me, and if you're looking for a natural color correcting palette. Next product I'd like to recommend is this Stila color correcting palette. If you're a person who is a bit more skilled in makeup and know what you need on your skin and have light to medium skin tone, I'd like to recommend this product. This one has 5 different cream correctors and 2 different powders. I'm a bit confused with this color range because the orange color and light pink color might not be for one person. Since orange is for medium, tan, deep skin tone and the light pink shade is for light skin tones, so this might be good for makeup artists or someone who could mix and customize the colors well. The purple powder might seem weird, but if you see the color wheel, the opposite of purple is yellow, so it is for correcting yellowness. If you want to brighten certain areas of your face, you could get a subtle brightness from using this powder. Last but not least, we have JUNGSAEMMOOL color correcting palette. For those of you who don't know about makeup artist JUNGSAEMMOOL, she is the OG Korean makeup artist and does makeup for top celebrities in South Korea and Asia. I also learned makeup at her makeup academy, and during the course, I use this product often before using a foundation or concealer. Among all these products I have, I would say this is the most creamy and hydrating color correcting palette. Apart from this white color, I think this color range would be suitable for people with light to medium skin tone, but not for tan or deep skin tone because of the lightness of color range. It is good to use with your fingertip as well. If you are not familiar with using concealer brushes, this might be the one perfect for you because you can just blend with your fingertips and apply right onto your skin. So this was all about color correcting palette and how to choose the best one for you. I tried to make everything easy to understand as possible, so hope this video was very helpful. Understand your skin tone and skin itself should be a priority. So when you do your makeup, try to see the color of your under eye dark circles or any just concerns you want to cover closely by comparing this color wheel on your phone. It will be helpful for you to understand more about yourself and at the end, the best product for you. Please let me know if you have any other questions about color correcting, any other makeup related questions. I'm happy to help you and answer all those questions. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye!